Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect Bluetooth earbuds to PlayStation 5. Let's go. Is it possible to connect earbuds to the PlayStation 5 via Bluetooth? Let's check it out. Open Settings, Accessories, choose Earbuds. The PlayStation 5 does not support Bluetooth audio accessories. But there are ways. If you are using a TV, you can connect earbuds to the TV, and the sound from the PlayStation 5 will go to your earbuds through the TV. You can use earbuds with PlayStation 5 support, or you can use Remote Play. Open System, Remote Play, Enable. Connect the earbuds to your phone. Connect the dualsense wireless controller to your phone. Open Remote Play app, choose your PlayStation 5. Your PlayStation 5 and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now the sound goes to the phone and through the phone to earbuds. That's it. Now you know how to connect Bluetooth earbuds to PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.